Hi there, I'm Ange, and this is TRAPMATE's drain hair catcher and cover. We have this style of plug that you just press down on, and it works fine for stopping the water, but gross stuff gets in there, and it often gets plugged, and you have to put a wire down there to try and get the hair out. So I'm going to just take this, put it on top, and then throw our little fishy on, and see how that works. It's a really neat design because even if that part in the middle sticks up, it's big enough that it seals all the way around. And when we want to remove it, we just grab it by the tail and out we go. And it's got this suction cup on the back. You can just stick it anywhere. And then this is the best part. All that hair and that's bits of soap, I think, that would have gone down the drain. I can just take that over to the garbage and dump it. Just like that. The fact that it's reversible, the stuff just falls right out of it. So I think that's terrific. Works really well. Throw that down and you're good to go. And how cute is this little fishy? Just stick in there. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.